Friends, in my previous session, we had learnt about the section A of the part 3 of the source determination, which was further aspects of the source determination. Okay, so we had learnt about the theory of the priorities in the source determination, both for creating purchase acquisition as well as for material requirements planning or the planning run. Okay, now we will go to the section B of the further aspects of the source determination. Here we will do one test exercise and test test the priorities in the source determination by creating a purchase acquisition. Okay, let me go to the test data here. So this is the test data. So we need 4 materials for a plant 1111, material S-10010 40 pieces, S-10011 100 piece, S-10012 150 piece, and S-10013 60 piece. Okay, so create a purchase acquisition and ensure that the source determination indicator is set in the requisition header. What is the result of the source determination process for the individual items? Enter the assigned sources and a short reason for the assignment in the following table. Okay, so let me go to the SAP system here. The transaction code to create a purchase acquisition is ME51N. Go to ME51N. Okay, I will just copy this material, these materials. Okay, 4 materials, 4 line items, and I will paste here in the 4 line items. The quantity, what is the quantity we need here? 40, 100, 150, 60. 40, 100, 150, 60. What is the plant? 1111. Okay, so here this source determination is checked. Okay, this already checked here in the header. Now after inputting the material, quantity and the plant, enter. Okay, system has determined sources, okay, for the various items, 4 items. So for the first line item S-10010, the source is V-E0001. okay, this is the vendor and having a info record 5300077876. okay, for the second line item, okay, second line item S-10010, this is a contract, this is a contract 46000 ending with 136 with the vendor V-E0002. Go to the third item, next item, third item S-10012. This is the agreement, this is the scheduling agreement number 5500 ending with 167 with vendor V-E0003. Coming to the last item, fourth item, okay, S-10013, this is a fixed vendor, this is a V-E0004 having a info record 5300 ending with 7878. okay, so first item is info record, second item is contract, third item is scheduling agreement, fourth item, this is coming from a actually, so this should be coming from a quota arrangement. So let me display the quota arrangement for this material, last material S-10013, last item S-10013. so let me go to SAP quota arrangement display, okay, MEQ3. so put the material S-10013, plant is 1111, enter. This is the validity period up to December next year. Go to the item overview. Here we can see here the quota arrangement is available for this material S-10013. There are two vendors, V-E0004 with quota 2 and V-B0001 quota 1. So the vendor with quota 2 will be taken as priority. Okay, so here what we have seen here in the purchase acquisition is, okay, the purchase this material, okay, the for the material S-10013, system has taken V-E0004 as the source because this is the source with the more quota 2. So I will go to this purchase acquisition. Okay, go to the item detail here, right? For the fourth item, system has taken V-E0004 as the vendor. Okay, because this is coming from the quota arrangement. Okay, for the first item, I will show you there is no quota arrangement, only info record. I will just let me see if there is any quota arrangement for this material. S-10010. Okay, quota arrangement is not active. Oh, okay, it's not there. Okay, so system has taken the source for the first line item as a info record. Okay, let me see if there is info record for. Okay, this info record is already there. It should be there. That is info record is coming for the second line item. Okay, it has taken the contract with the vendor V-E0002. For the third item, it has taken the scheduling agreement with the vendor V-E0003, and for the last item, okay, S-10013, it has taken the vendor V-E0004 from the quota arrangement. Okay, so this is the test exercise on, okay, how the system will that is pick up the sources based on the priorities in the source determination. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Please give me your valuable comments, likes, and please subscribe to my channel so that you will get notification of the upcoming videos on my other videos on various subjects in MM. So in the next video we will go to the section C where we will do an exercise on blocking the source of supply.